Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2013 and is related to the topic air pollution. The question is, acid rain is caused by the pollution of environment by carbon dioxide and nitrogen, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, ozone and carbon dioxide, or nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Now, as far as acid rain is concerned, so if precipitation or rain has less than 5.6 pH value, that is, if it has more hydrogen ions, then that rain will be considered as acid rain. As far as acid rain is concerned, then the pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide, when they react with water and oxygen present in the atmosphere, then H2SO4 and HNO3 is formed. So these rains are acid rains. So our answer for this question will be D, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Now, as far as the ill effects of acid rain is concerned, then naturally there will be increase in acidity in water reservoirs. Number one. Number two, there will be increase in corrosion of metals, that is metallic pipes or metallic surface will corrode faster. Also, some buildings and monuments that are made up of limestone or marble can react with acid and hence there will be corrosion. For example, in Taj Mahal, there has been Taj Mahal was turning yellowish because of acid rain. So this can be the effects of acid rain. Now, similar nature question was there in 2013 only, related to photochemical smog. Photochemical smog is a resultant of the reaction among NO2, ozone and peroxyacetyl nitrate in the presence of sunlight, CO, that is carbon monoxide, oxygen and peroxyacetyl nitrate, this is also known as PAN, and PAN in the presence of sunlight, CO, CO2 and NO2 at low temperature, and D, high concentration of NO2, O3 and CO in the evening. Now, as far as smog is concerned, smog is basically smoke plus fog. And this smoke can be because of burning of fossil fuels, vehicular emission or industrial emissions. This smoke can be there, and when there is smoke plus fog, then smog is formed. Now, as far as photochemical smog is concerned, then it should happen, a reaction should happen in the presence of sunlight. So, in photochemical smog, nitrogen dioxide, ozone and peroxyacetylene nitrate, they react in the presence of sunlight, and because of this, photochemical smog is formed. Now, the important factor about photochemical smog is the visibility declines because of the yellowish color of the smog, and also it has many detrimental effects as far as human health is concerned. So long-term exposure of these smogs can cause lung cancer, cardiovascular diseases, heart diseases, also diabetes and other issues can be initiated because of long-term exposure of these photochemical smog. Now, State of World Air Quality Report or State of Air report in 2020, Global Air Report, they mentioned that per capita exposure is highest in India across the world. So, Indians are the highest exposed people as far as photochemical smog or air pollutants are concerned, and because of that, there are various deaths also related to air pollution. Asthmatic and asthma and lung diseases are other causes, and also pregnant women are affected by the exposure, the long-term exposure. So our answer for this question will be A, nitrogen dioxide, ozone and peroxyacetylene nitrate, when react in the presence of sunlight, they form photochemical smog. Thank you.